Meaning of holdall.
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 holdall,
Holdall. Holdall is a noun that refers to a large, soft-sided bag used for carrying clothes and other articles when traveling. It is typically made of durable materials such as canvas or leather, and can have multiple compartments and pockets for organizing items. Holdalls have become popular alternatives to traditional suitcases due to their versatility and ease of use. They are often used by gym-goers, business travelers, and weekend adventurers. A good quality holdall can withstand frequent use and become a reliable companion on many journeys.